school here?
No.
Can't you hear me chomping on my gum?
That's really gross.
Yeah, this is getting annoying. I'm gonna spit it out.
You know, this is my first day at this school.
Oh, it's your first day?
You can show me around. That would be nice.
Yeah, you know, you're far too pretty for this school.
Oh, thank you.
I'm gonna go ahead and make you a plastic, okay? Here, I've got all the supplies you need right in my locker. I'm just gonna open it up. There's no lock in it. I have an open door locker. I know what's up. Got some lipstick for you here because I don't know about this, honey. So let me just pop that lipstick on you there real quick. It's haunted lipstick. There, you look great. Look at yourself in the mirror. Wait, hold on. If you're really hideous, the mirror might crack, so be careful. Oh, I think I hear the school bell. That means it's time for biology. But I'm not going because class is stupid.
Oh. Well, maybe I could call some friends and we could do something special and go to the mall.
You have friends? That's adorable. Go on, call them. Oh my God.
They live in Sweden.
That phone is so old. That phone is like from 1985. What are you thinking?
I'm sorry.
I'm gonna stand over here. I can't be sitting next to you.
Oh, and they're talking to me. Hi, girl. How you doing? I'm doing good. So, I was wondering, you want to hang out today? I don't like you. That's our secret signal for she loves me.
You've got it on speakerphone. I can hear everything
Why did
you're
you
all
call
saying.
me? What? Say that again.
Why did you calling me?
Oh, she just turned into a man, I think.
TTYL.
Oh.
I just had a great idea.
Okay, well, you know, it's been really nice catching up, but I think maybe I'm going to stay here and hang out with my new bestie.
Thank God.
Okay, well, bye.
You don't need her anyway, and you don't need that phone. Why don't you just slam it on the ground and break it? We'll get new phones.
Okay.
Bam.
You show that phone. I forgot to shut my locker before. Come on, let's go out to my car. Let's go drive around, get a smoothie or something like Rebel Kids.
Okay, let's go.
La 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 la. And the principal is following us. Quickly, quickly. All right, we're almost there. There's the doors to the school. Just open them up. Everything here is so old. Oh, great! It's a beautiful day outside. I can hear the birds chirping. Hold on, I'm getting a tweet. Hanging out with new BFF. Hope she is not actually Glen Coco in disguise. Oh yeah, my car. Hold on. Let me just. I forget where I parked. I'm just gonna activate my little car BB thing. It's right here next to us. Hop in, girl. We're gonna go shop. We're going to the mall. We're gonna get you the whole new outfit. I don't know about this.
Thank you. Every door